Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we're excited. We got vegan and vegetable collard greens recipe right here, everybody, okay? Yes, we love you. All right, so we're going to have some boiled water here. We have about a half a pot of water, and we added in some chopped onions, okay, everybody? And then we're going to bring it to our boil, okay? Now, you see the difference of the colors? We added a little bit of garlic better than bouillon, just for flavor, everybody, okay? Now, it's not necessary. If you don't like garlic, you can eliminate it. You don't need to use it. But we just like this flavor throughout our collard greens because it's about collard greens. This is our real pot of collard greens. Has flavors all throughout there. Just soaking and marinating, about to come to another boil right there. But let me tell you, this is the vegetable base, better than bouillon, that we're going to be adding into this right here, okay? So we added some of that, and then we also added some of that sauteed onion, better than bouillon. If you're not onto the better than bouillon by now, you better get with it, because we're going to add it in. This is the flavor that you're looking for.
You know, Donna, there's one thing about it. It's like you're saying, all the flavors got to go throughout the green.
Exactly. It doesn't taste good without flavor. Collard greens is very coarse, very bitter. But when you add your flavors, that's what makes the collards, okay? That's the soul food part of it that hits it. Okay, then we're going to add in some more. We're going to add in some fresh garlic, everybody. We love garlic in all most of our dishes. It's very basically good for you. It's great for your blood pressure and keeping mosquito bites away. As you see, we're adding in our frozen collards. Now, they were fresh collards. We washed them thoroughly with vinegar and salt and cleaned them, and we actually put them into Ziploc bags and put them in the freezer till it was time to use, okay, everybody? So we're adding in our frozen collard greens, or fresh collard greens, again, as I'm just saying, okay? And we go ahead and we add our middle parts. A lot of people say, you don't cut out your middle parts. I don't, because we love all our vitamins, everybody, okay? Vitamins are all throughout the stems of the collards, and that's what we want. We want it all, because it's all going to be flavored. So I took the big one out. We don't want that one in there. We're going to take that one out, whatever it may be. Now, we're going to go ahead. As you see, it was hot, boiling, ready to go. That's how we do it, okay, everybody? So we're going to bring this to another bowl, and then we're going to turn it down till we boil it down and condense it down to this solution right here. Now, you see that colorization? That's the flavor that I'm talking about. This is the flavor that's going to be all throughout your collard greens, everybody. Every single bite that you take, and this is the end, we're going to go in and add some sugar. A lot of people say, why are you adding sugar? I'm telling you, that takes the bitterness away from the collards, and then you're going to let that sit, and then it's going to be ready to serve within another half hour or so when it cools down. Now, I'm telling you, this is how we do our collard greens, and this is how we do it. Now, I want you guys to go ahead. If you like what you see, follow me for more on our YouTube channel. We have a lot more vegetarian and vegan meals that's coming together soon. Also, we're about to release our new cookbook, everybody. Yes. These are available on Amazon.com right now. But we're going to be coming out with a vegetarian and a vegan cookbook, everybody. And another Just Desserts Child and a soul food, another cookbook that's coming soon. So go over and get yours and order yours today. Happy holidays.